Hey, thinking of moving to Northwest Arkansas? We're in Blowing Springs Park today in Bella Vista. We're going to do a property tour in the Bella Vista area today, but wanted to kind of show you the Blowing Springs Park area. Beautiful spot for camping, trails, got some rivers. Highly recommend it. If you're into glamping, you can do that, or you can throw a tent out, or it's got spots for RVs and campers. A few things about Bella Vista. There's three entities kind of right now that are going on. You've got the city, which does, your police, fire department, street department type stuff. And then you've got the POA. The POA is going to manage all the amenities like your lakes, golf courses, trails, anything that's kind of an outdoor activity that's involved with the POA. And then you've got your Architectural Control Committee. This is for any remodeling that you're doing on your house. If you're gonna put paint the house a different color, do modifications to the outside, add a shed, that you'll have to go through the Architectural Control Committee, acronym ACC. So you've got ACC, the POA, and the city of Bella Vista. The POA for unimproved land lots is $16 a month. And then if you have a home, it's going to be around $40 a month. But we're going to do some property tours today in the $300,000 range, $400,000 range, $500 roughly, and maybe hit a $600,000 one as well. Let's do it. Okay, these are the kind of the glamping areas that you can rent out here in Blowing Springs Park. You have your little cabins. I think one's called the Smokies Hideaway, one's called the Break-In. Then you have picnic area out here and on the other side of the road as well. And then down further, you can see where if you have a camper or RV, we've got some manual tents over here, but you've got RV campers in the Blowing Springs Park area as well. So a little bit for everybody. All right, we're at 5 Towan Circle. It's almost up to the Missouri line in Bella Vista. This one is a brand new construction. All these today that we're gonna show you are brand new construction. It is 1864 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. I'm gonna give you a better view here from the road. But this one is all siding. You've got some brick veneer on the steps. Backs up to the woods. I'll take you back there so you can kind of get an idea of what that looks like. But you're really close to the highway here, right off of Hampstead. You're basically it's a little circle right off of Hampstead Road. So really good access. But yeah, this one is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, brand new construction, 1864 square feet. Looks like it's ready to go. The one thing in Bella Vista too that you need to check on if you like this area, some of the areas are converting over from septic to sewer. So have your agent or myself check on that for you if there's a house that you're interested in up here. Very key to get that done. Got some big steps. Let's see the privacy you've got back here. Bella Vista is going to be for your nature, for the most part, your nature people that just really like having the outdoors, rolling hills, trees. Looks like you've got either a crawl space down here. I would say that's probably a crawl space for like storage and utilities. But yeah, check on that if you're going to move to Bella Vista and you like the area. Remember, you've got POA, the Architectural Control Committee. If you need those sites to research that more, I can send those to you. And then you have your city, which has your police department and fire department. But yeah, you've got 3 entities up here. All right, we're at 5 Brill Lane, just off of Trafalgar. This one is listed by Joseph Hayes at Keller Williams, a real good friend of mine. So they're actually, some of the new construction in Bella Vista, you're starting to see a change with the new construction. It's kind of going to more of a modern architectural look. This is one of those. This one is 2,056 square feet. It's 2 full bedrooms, but it does have a flex space and an office space. This floor plan is pretty cool. You've got backed up to the woods. Your price range on this one, brand new construction, is going to be just shy of $500,000. It's $499,900. But yeah, you can tell the privacy in the back. There's not going to be much going on behind you. And this one, like I said, it's just right off the highway off of Trafalgar. So hope this kind of gives you an idea of what you can buy in the 500 range. Let's go to the next. All right, this one is 13 Jeremy Lane, real private setting in a private cul-de-sac. Not completely done yet. This one's by Weston Brooks over at NWA Residential Real Estate. Very quiet little cul-de-sac, 1,284 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This one's gonna be good entry level, $300,000. Looks like you've got brick on the front, and then you're gonna have siding in the back. They've got this one open. Let's take a look at it. As you can tell, they're probably getting new appliances put in right now. All the boxes, hopefully they're already in. But you've got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Looks like a bathroom right off the entryway. You've got your kitchen, dining room. Opens up to the living room a little bit. But you do have some privacy here in the kitchen as well. Looks like you're gonna have a pantry, washer, dryer room right there. Or maybe you've got pantry here as well. Some more storage right off the kitchen. What's cool about this one, again, Bella Vista, you've got a lot of privacy. So right off the living room, you can come out to your deck. This is basically, if you're looking for some peace and serenity, this is where I would be, right here on the deck area. Really quiet. But yeah, $300,000. Good price point. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fairly flat on the front. This is gonna be your guest room. I'm walking backwards, doing the moonwalk. Michael Jackson, if anybody remembers. And then we've got the master here that backs up to the woods as well. So if you want to open the windows, hear the birds. I don't think we got electricity on yet. Nope, sorry. But this one is gonna have walk-in closet, your conventional tub, shower. Pretty good size walk-in closet off the master. But hope this gives you an idea of what you can get for $300,000. Let's go to the next one. All right, this is our final stop for the day for the Bella Vista home tour. Hope you've enjoyed it. This one is a 3-car garage, brand new construction again. You've got, I believe, around just a little over 2,400 square feet. This one's gonna have 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. Again, you're gonna have that private setting on the back. A lot of Bella Vista, you have that. So you've got the, a lot of the houses are just built into the woods, and the privacy is gonna be in the back where you have the draws and woods basically. But this one is listed by Donna Wynn of Berkshire Hathaway. They're having an open house, I believe, maybe this week, vacant, so easy to get to. But this one is $609,000. So we've done in the 300, 400, 500, and 600 range today. Again, if you need more resources about the ACC, Architectural Control Committee, get with me. POA, Properties Owner Association, I can help get you some more, kind of guidelines on what they do, what they don't do, and then the city. Of course, you can Google it and get it yourself as well on the website in Bella Vista. But, from my experience selling real estate since 2016 up here, people either like it or they don't. I guess if you want, kind of a POA to kind of tell you what you can and can't do, and the architectural control committee they kind of dictate on the modifications. You know, if you decide to paint the exterior, at a Morton building or shed, you have to get all that approved through the architectural control committee. So I hope that gives you kind of an idea of Bella Vista. But again, if you're an outdoor enthusiast, really like nature, like trees, it's a great selling point for you. You've got golf courses, 7 golf courses, 7 lakes, clubhouse, workout facility, gun range, just a lot of, you know, bike trails, of course, are up here, walking trails. So we started out at Blowing Springs Park. There's another trail called Tanyard Creek, really cool walking trail if you want to, you know, check that out. It's got picnic areas as well. But I hope you enjoyed it today. If you liked what you see, please subscribe to my channel. You know, if you're looking to purchase in the next 7 days or 70 days, call, text, or email me. Thad Skidmore, Flat Fee Realty. Have a great one.